Jill, pwede naman ako naka-record ng Frozen Monday to Friday. Gusto ko namin ka na akong palo kasi text pa pa. Candidate number 2.
Diana Sibang.
Diana Sibang.
Sibang.
How are you, candidate number 2? Okay? When was the last time? So, we have, yeah. Interpreter. Let us call out our interpreter.
Mai!
Alvin.
Alvin. Okay, we have Alvin, the Busling. Okay.
Busling.
The question will come from our
Ginny.
other guest. Guest of the guest, Adrian Ramirez.
Okay, question. I pass the mic to...
Si Ginny na may kasi Ginny!
Ako mo lang. Okay, sige.
Ikaw na. Bakit na? Kasi may inaanan kayo.
Okay.
Si Alex. Alex has the question.
Alex.
Candidate number 2 based on judge number 1, Miss Ivy. Spit or swallow?
The question is, when it is...
Go.
Ako lagi nagtatanong, sila na spit or swallow?
Interpreter, may masasabi ka.
Why?
Because when there's
Thank you so much for that wonderful answer.